Hey folks, I'm over in Garberville, Mississippi, and anyway, there's a new fishing pier that we've been checking out, and it's pretty interesting. And I want to show you a view from the pier, and then we're going to go down there on the bottom side, and I'm going to show you something else interesting that's going on here. Okie doke, anyway, over there's Boomtown, and see, this is Back Bay, and right over there's the Butthole Zipper, and there's Imperial Palace. Ooh, there's Jonathan. I don't know if you can see it from up here, but there are thousands and thousands of little mullet swimming around down here. And I'm going to go down and we'll see if you can see them then. But this is a really cool little pier. Oh, and here's oh wow, there's a cooler down here. Might be somebody down here fishing. We haven't seen anybody, so don't know. But look, I got little porthole lights. See? Oh hell, there's somebody's stuff. Okay. That's a little bitty mullet. Anyhow, that's about it. So, y'all take care, be good, be careful, and all that, right? And I'll be back with something different later. Bye-bye.
I've been paddling on the Mississippi here for about 10 years. And over the course of 10 years, I've seen the rebounding of the eagles. That was the sight you wouldn't see 10 years ago. You know, Minneapolis and St. Paul, the metro area, has done a great job of revitalizing this watershed.
In many ways, the river is far improved from what it was 40 years ago. And that's exactly why we did this project, is we get a lot of those questions. It gives you a synopsis of the health of the river now compared to over time, and gives you some tips on what you can do to help it.
So off to my left, what we have is a stormwater outfall. Now this is the discharge of a series of pipes that run underneath the city and collect stormwater runoff and discharge directly untreated into the river. In many cases, this kind of runoff can contain trash, pet waste, leaves, grass clippings, and other debris from the urban environment. What we've discovered in the last 20 or 30 years is that our current policies really aren't sufficient to match the threats that are emerging in the river now. One issue would be our ability to control runoff pollution from a wide range of sources, including agriculture and urban. There are other contaminants of emerging concern where we really don't have the tools we need to control them effectively. And then also we lack sufficient standards. The river behind us here does not have standards for nitrate or phosphorus for the protection of aquatic life. Even though those pollutants are causing serious problems downstream, we don't have the tools to control them effectively here because we don't have standards to manage for.
It's finding a relationship between industry and the natural world, and finding a relationship where they're working symbiotically together. And a lot of that is mediated, public policy is mediated by public demand.